Welcome back, continuing the news. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we look at the story of how a once homeless woman now pursuing her academic dreams after years of struggling. As Kirk Wright now reports, she continues to face challenges with epilepsy, but is determined to make something of her life.
In a world where life moves fast and people often pass by without a second glance, is a woman whose name is Avery Wellesley. Avery has spent years navigating life without a place called a home. Life has dealt her a cruel hand. Her health began to deteriorate after a chronic illness diagnosis, complex partial seizures. It's one of the most common types of epilepsy in adults.
The complex partial seizure was developed because of a hit I got in the left side, damaging the spleen. It is triggered by extreme stress, and whenever it happened, it caused me to have impaired speech or go impaired that I cannot walk nor talk.
Her condition kept her from securing a place to call home, and so she has been drifting between friends and homes. But rather than giving in to despair, Avery has made a vow.
Even though my condition is what it is, I don't look at myself as an impaired person, and I don't look at myself as if I am homeless. I look at myself as anyone who is as important in the society.
Finally, the day arrived. Avery's journey took a turn when she received a home from non-governmental organization Food for the Poor. It comes on the heels of World Homelessness Day observed internationally on October 10. With newfound stability, Avery has begun pursuing long-held dreams. She's going back to school and
I try to do whatever work I can and achieve from my work and turn around the money and buy and sell.
Now, she looks forward to each day with unwavering courage. She's inspiring others to hold on and believe in their own strength.
If someone is in a situation where medical health is concerned and they are helpless, don't give up on themselves. Don't give up and let it seem as if life is over. Even when you are on your face, you can even get up and try to even make yourself a better person than what you are.
I'm Kirk Wright for Ray of Hope.